So we just got our Starlink delivered, our Starlink RV, and we thought we would do a little bit of an unboxing for you. I'm here, I'm Katie, if you don't know. Here's Larry the cactus. Unfortunately, Adam is not feeling so well. He's got some allergies to ragweed, and there's a lot of rabbit brush blooming around here right now. So he's inside trying to get a little bit better. And I am gonna walk you through what is inside this box. So here we go. Okay guys, I've got the box here. If you're anything like me, you're probably looking for a video, something short and sweet to kind of show you what is going on here. I know for me, I'm a digital nomad. I work full-time on the road, and something that could give me unlimited data on the road in places that don't have cell phone reception could be a huge game changer for the places that we can stay. So I'm hoping that this will actually be a game changer. It's quite expensive. I think it was like $600. Then you have to pay taxes and shipping, which was like 50 bucks. So it came out to like just under $700. I'll put the little exact amount of how much it was here. So it's quite expensive, and I looked up a lot of reviews, things I could find, like most of them were about the residential product, and this is the RV product. So I've heard it's very similar, but I'm gonna give you guys a first-hand scoop of this, what it is, what's inside, how does it work. If you notice, there's a lot of tape on here. I had to get it sent through our mail forwarding service, and then it went to another mail center in town. So looks a little beat up, but hopefully inside it will be nice and pristine. So let's open this baby up. Cut all the tape, I think, and here we go. I think it weighs something like 18 pounds, maybe almost 20. So we take that first just piece of plastic on. It looks like it's just protecting everything, and I can see the dish here, I can see the base here. So we'll see if we can just kind of unpack it all. It's definitely metal. All right. And then we have, oh, dropped the plastic piece. That's okay. Dishy McFlatface right here, and he's attached to a cord. And underneath is the router that I assume will go in our van somewhere. So that's a little bit big, not gonna lie, for living in less than 100 square feet. But if it's got good internet, we can make it work. All right. This cord, I believe, is 70 feet, which is nice because that means we can set it up somewhere where there's not going to be a lot of obstructions. It does, for us at least, come pre-connected, which I wasn't expecting. I thought we would have to plug it in ourselves, but it slides out really easily. I'm just going to connect it to the base here. Snaps right in. That's wonderful. And then I think we can connect it from there. Maybe. Okay, maybe not. I think maybe you string it up through the base first. Set it in the mount. There we go. That looks good. Dishy. Now there's two cords here. Okay. So I figured out this is the shorter cord. I think this plugs in the router into the inside of the van. This long cord is just connecting the dish to the router. So we'll see if I can connect that. Okay. All right, I think it's plugged. So that'll sit like that. And then this has to have a power cord. So I'm gonna go plug this in somewhere. Okay guys, so I kind of forgot that I would actually need to be plugging something in to our inverter. It is AC current, not DC current. Hopefully they'll make an adapter in the future. But right now it's got a 3-prong. So it has the ground, and I'll show you how I have it set up. So we have this surge protector running from our inverter, which comes up this cable right here into the router. Router you see here. Then we've got another cable that's coming out of the router. Very long cable, and that is set up to Dishy. I have Dishy set up so that he's facing north because we're in the northern hemisphere. Apparently that's the way you're supposed to point it. If you were in the southern hemisphere, you'd be pointing it south. So I haven't turned anything on yet. We're gonna see what happens. All right, everything is connected, so we're gonna see if when I turn the power on, it works. I'm gonna try to use Adam's phone, since mine is filming, to connect to the router. Oh, look, Dishy has moved. There's something happening. So I had faced Dishy north. This is like generally north. And it looks like he has now flattened himself out and turned a little bit. So he seems to be trying to connect. I forgot my assistant Larry, so here he is. He's gonna help me out. I have downloaded the Starlink app. The router seems to be on. The dish is pointed straight up. I'm not sure if that's right. Oh yeah, if I open my Wi-Fi, maybe I'll take like a little screen grab of this. But if you open your Wi-Fi, and I have a little thing in here called Starlink, and it's unable to join, so that's great. I thought this was gonna be easy. Oh, it's prompting me to enter a Wi-Fi network name. Set up a password. Now it looks like I need to reconnect. So I'm gonna go back to my Wi-Fi, connect, and hopefully that works. It appears that this can take a bit of time, so I might just put this down for now and see if it will boot up and then come back to it. Hopefully it won't take too long. It doesn't really look like it's doing anything though. I hope it's not me. Hope I'm not doing something wrong, but we'll see. I don't know. Okay guys, new update. My phone, I'll try to show you the screen on the screen, but it says online. Now the dish hasn't done anything, so I don't really know. It might still be collecting data on the obstructions, so I might just try to do a speed test and see what happens. Oh, we got just pretty good data, I think. 62 megabytes per second. After this, I'll compare it to what I usually test on, and then I'll give you kind of like a, is this good or is this bad? We do actually have AT&T at this site. Oh, look at it, Dishy is going. Look at him do stuff. Oh my gosh, he's doing it. What are you doing? Okay, so Dishy is doing it. He's angled, he's definitely facing north. I think I'm gonna do a speed test on like my usual speed test app, and oh my god, that's really, really good. For download. I'm very concerned about upload because usually some places have great download and no upload at all. Thunder. Okay, I mean, let's let it finish. I'm also not very close to the router. Okay, that's going up actually. Okay, that would be totally good enough for me to work from. It's, I'm sure, better than what I have through AT&T here. I guess that's it. Did we do it? This is all so weird. Overall, thumbs up for unlimited internet. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll probably give you a little bit more of an update. If we get any rain, I'll definitely test it out and show you guys what happens. But all right, for now, signing off. It's raining kind of significantly. We had a little hail and Dish is still working. Still going well. The upload is a little bit lower, but I think it was just lower today. Maybe some congestion. We're not that far from town, so still good. Hi guys.
Hello.
All right, I just wanted to close out this video by giving you an update. It's been probably about a month since we've had Starlink, installed it, everything started working. We've tried it out at about 4 different campsites, I want to say, and it has worked at all of them, including 2 that we had absolutely no service. This is one of them. We're at this beautiful canyon. We've got a pathway right here down to the water and cliffs and trees. It's awesome. And Starlink is over there and he's just kicking ass. So that's really reassuring to me to know that this is gonna work. Even in a canyon, we haven't really gone anywhere with like dense tree coverage. We're kind of out in the west. So if you're on the East Coast, definitely something to consider with more densely populated trees. We'll probably test it out a little bit in Colorado this fall, but just wanted to give you the update. Speeds are great. Download is usually over 100. Upload is very close to 20 almost all the time. It's awesome. And unlimited internet. How freaking amazing. So I'm just going to close out this video here. I hope it helped you if you guys are thinking about getting Starlink and you're wondering what it's kind of like. We do have the Starlink RV model again, and
it's a game changer. Yeah. It really is allowing us to go places we couldn't go before. It's really cool.
Totally agree. Absolutely. So I would not hesitate to buy it again if it were me. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
See you next time.
Give us a like and subscribe, and ask us any questions you have down in the comments about Starlink, and we'll try to give you an update on that.
Cool beans.
Bye. Hi, everybody. So we have now had Starlink for a couple months. It's been a little while since we filmed that last video, and we just wanted to kind of update you on how we feel about Starlink currently, how it's been working for us over a longer period of time. And to be honest, it's worked great. The internet has been really solid.
We're right now in a place that we would have no usable service, and we've been here for 2 weeks comfortably.
Yeah, so it opens up a whole lot of new possibilities for us with camping. Which is exactly what we wanted it to do.
Yeah, it's really ticking all the boxes we would hope it would tick.
I agree. We did want to talk about one thing that we didn't necessarily think about when we first bought Starlink, but if you watched the whole unboxing that I did, you remember that Starlink and its router specifically only work off AC current. So it's no USB, it's a 3-prong, you got to put it into an outlet, and surprisingly, it does use, or maybe unsurprisingly, but it does use a lot of energy.
Yeah, if you want to run it 24/7, then you're going to need a pretty big battery bank and some good solar.
Yeah.
Because we put in new batteries and everything since we got it.
Right. We have since upgraded our battery bank, which has helped a lot. We kind of needed to upgrade our battery bank in the first place. It's been over 3 years with these same batteries, so they were just kind of dying. They were AGM. We upgraded to lithium. We doubled the size of our battery bank, storage. Yeah.
So we have an extra 200 amp hours. And we're not really like, hurting or anything for it, but it definitely feels like something that you don't want to just have on all the time.
It's just something to keep in mind. I think if it's sunny and you're running it, it's not going to be a problem. But if it's cloudy or it's rainy, it will eventually deplete your batteries. And we've just noticed it draws more than other appliances that we typically use do. So just something to keep in mind, along with, of course, the price. But other than that,
yeah, we're super happy with it. It's been working really well for us, and we're going to keep using it to get a little bit further out into the boonies.
Mm-hmm. So I hope this review helped you guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave us any comments or questions that you might have that we didn't address. Mm-hmm. And until then,
we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Thanks
for watching.